Hello everyone, my name is Torres. I'm a data platform MVP. I'm here to talk about the training I'll be delivering on the Data Platform Summit on September. The training is about ETL and ELT in the cloud using Data Factory. The Data Platform Summit is a big conference which will run around the clock. And on this training that I'll be delivering, we'll focus on how to build ETL and ELT solution in the cloud. On the old days, we had SSIS and other tools to use on-premise. In the cloud, we have Azure Data Factory. On this training, we'll be building data pipelines to transform data from production to a data warehouse, and also processing the data during these transformations using services such as cognitive services and sentiment analysis to add more information to our new data warehouse. This content is not available on the web, and attending this session you will get a full recording of the session. You can use my personal discount code you are seeing on the screen and get an additional discount on this class. This class will enable you to build data pipelines in the cloud. You can't miss it. See you there!